Yo, what's up guys? GG15 back with another video. No shave today, but you know what? I was getting shave withdrawals, so I decided to just go ahead and lather up, man. This is what I like to do. Just like to basically play with lather, guys. You know, so what I'm going to be using today is Aquamarine by Fine. This is their newer soap that was just released. So let's get into it. I already had this soaking for about, I don't know, 3 minutes or so. So should be nice and hydrated. And as far as the brush, I'll be getting in with, boom, Cayenne Workshop. Mix some pretty nice, nice brushes. So there you go. Let's get to it. I really enjoy lathering, especially when I've never used this base before. So this is my first time using Fine products, and I'm really excited. Because man, all you hear is people talking about this stuff. So we'll see how good this lather is. I'm going to put it to the test. I'm going to put it to the test today, boys. Let's get in. Let's do a 30-second load. I don't know how long this has been. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I think that should be okay. Look at that. Let's put some of this to the face, man. Probably wet my face a bit, hydrate it. There we go. Smells nice. Really nice, mild scent. I would say, to my nose, I'm used to very strong scents. That's what I kind of gravitate towards. This is like a, I want to say a 4. If I'm gonna be like completely honest, 4. But that's what I'm getting from it. So, boom. Let's put this puck down. Rinse my hands because they are extremely slick. That's a good sign. Boom. Let's get into this lather. Oh, it feels so good. Let me know in the comments if you just lather just for the hell of it. Just for the sake of lathering, for the sake of playing with lather. Let me know down below. I want to see if there are others like me. I know Shave Cave does. I watch his videos quite a lot. I really enjoy his content. Oh, and I am CDB. Thank you for the shout out, bro. I really appreciate that. Really appreciate that. I'm extremely humbled, man. Thank you. All right, let's dip the brush. This soap feels really good. I'm really liking it. Wow. Now I see what all the fuss is about. It's... Are you kidding me? Heck yeah. I can already tell that it's a great base. Let's put some more water on this brush. Give it some more hydration before we get into it like madmen. Very nice, very nice. Maybe I'll use this soap on my next video to shave. Maybe. All right. Now a little bit more water. Give it Get some nice hydration. Gonna give it that yogurty texture. Dare I put some more water on that? What do you guys think? Yeah, let's throw a little bit more. A little bit more. I might add some more later on too. Alright. Whoa, nice. Gotta love that. Alright, let's get into it, guys. I wonder if this lather is gonna explode, or if it's just gonna have like that yogurty texture, kind of like Declaration Grooming's milk steak. I don't know if you guys have tried that one, but that one's a very like dense yogurty consistency. It feels very good on the face. It's amazing. I love that base. I'm pretty sure a lot of you would agree with me there. Yeah. Let's see if we can bring this out a bit. Oh, it's falling everywhere. Let's go, let's get it. Oh, there it goes, there it goes. Yes. Yeah, it's like yogurty. I did hydrate it pretty well. But you know what, we're gonna keep going, and you know what, I think I'm gonna add more water. See how much water this thing can take. It's gonna take a lot more than that. Let's give it a good dunk. Good dunk. There we go. You know what, let's do this. Just mix in. Probably looks wrong, but it's for the sake of science, boys. I do this for you guys, sake of science. Yeah, this soap is great. I love it. I love it. Look at that sheen. It's not done yet, but let's see. Wow. This is some nice soap. I'm really digging it. I really like it. Super slick. Super slick. It's nice. Damn, I kind of want to shave now. I really want to shave now, but I'm not. I'm gonna wait like, I don't know, 2 more days, maybe 1 more day. Unless I get that soap that should be coming in soon. I ordered from Sterling Soaps. I think the soap is called Boat Drinks, so I should be getting that pretty soon. Hopefully tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow. I don't know with all this stuff that's going on. The mail's been delayed, very delayed. I think Sterling even mentioned that it could be slightly delayed as well, so I'm hoping that I get it soon, so I can do a maybe not a review, just like a lather test. Oh, lather test review. Same difference. Look at that. It's beautiful. A little bit more water. When I do these lather tests, I usually go with a synthetic so that I don't get brush burn. So I like to really lather the hell out of it. And see how far these soaps can go, how much water they can take, how much scrubbing and working it takes to really get a voluminous, hydrated face lather. And look at all of that, man. Look at all that. I can keep going, man, with the water. I really can. Let's see. Sorry if this is a boring video, guys, but this is really fun to me. If you don't lather just for the sake of lathering, I suggest you try it. I mean, we have all these soaps, like, you know, for the shaving enthusiast, we have, you know, 20 to 100 damn soaps. I don't think you're gonna use that anytime soon. So I suggest you just have fun, play with your lather, you know? You're really not gonna use it anytime soon. Well, unless you leave it as a will to your kids, you know? Oh, my dad, when he died, he gave me all of his shave soaps. Can you believe it? Made out like a bandit. Thanks, Dad, for 200 shave soaps. What a guy. Use it up, man. All right, you know what? I think we're about done here. Boom. Can workshop. Very, very nice. I really enjoy this soap, man. I didn't think it was going to be that good. I really didn't. You can tell that it's extremely slick. And look at this lather, my God. Look at that. It's freaking beautiful, man. I love it. I love it. Look at this beautiful Santa beard. Ho, 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 ho. Looks good, guys? All right, man. GG15 out. Till the next one. Deuces.